Today I'll be sharing another lesson from Unit 2, Chapter 3. Name of the lesson is Bird Talk. Can you see in the picture the two birds? What do you think the birds are doing? Yes, the birds are talking. So can you say what are they talking? They are talking about people. The birds are telling how funny people are. Funny means something which makes you laugh. When you see a joker, you laugh, isn't it? So the joker is funny. So let's see what are these two birds talking about. Let's start the poem. Bird Talk. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about people the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wares and things. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Written by Ellen Fisher. So here in the poem, in the first stanza, let's see again. In the first stanza you see, things said the robin, things said the jay. Robin and jay. Robin is the blue color bird and the yellowish black color is the jay. These two birds are talking one day by sitting in the garden, and they are talking to one another. So how they talk? Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. They say to think each other. Think about what? Think about the people. You see in the second stanza, think about people the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. So in the second stanza, these two birds are telling to think about the people the way they grow. They are saying it because people are completely different from the birds. So when the birds see the people, they think that people are funny in their own way, and they talk to each other to think about people, how they grow. Then they said they don't have feathers at all. Feathers, you see, birds have feathers on their body, but people don't have feathers. So here in the second stanza, they don't have feathers. They refers to the people. Who are saying this? The birds. The birds are saying that people don't have feathers at all. So next, coming to the third stanza, they don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wares and things. So in the third stanza, they don't eat beetles. They means people. People don't eat beetles. Beetles are the small insects you can find on the trees, leaves, particularly in the garden. So birds eat these beetles, but the birds are telling that people don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings, means people don't grow wings like the birds. And also they are telling that people don't like sitting on wares and things. You might be seeing birds sitting on the wares and things and chirping around, but you won't find people sitting on wares, isn't it? So the birds are telling that people don't like sitting on wares and things like them. Coming to the last stanza, let's see. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Here it's again telling each other to think about the people, how funny they are in their own ways that they are doing, like how they are growing, how they are eating, how they are sitting, how they are not growing their wings. These are all some of the funny things that the bird think about the people. So some new words are given. Let's see. Beetles, sitting, wares, funny. Beetle means the small insects that you can find in the garden. The birds eat these small insects. Next, sitting. Sitting means the opposite of standing. When you kneel down and rest yourself, then it is called sitting. Wares. Wares are the long electrical things where you can see in your classroom and in your houses where electrical appliances are connected. Then funny. Funny means anything or any object which makes you laugh, which gives you a laughter, then it is called funny. So let's read the poem again. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wares and things. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? So children, you have to learn this poem and by heart it.